Hey guys, so I've been working on some more CRs and code reviews, that's code reviews, right? And I have not yet finished with integrating the Travis with spell checking, which I'm going to finish in the next few days. And we're now trying to do some refactoring in the design. This is the code behind me. We're going to continue that after the meeting. So let's hear the team.
Hi, so yesterday I finished the CR rejects about the tests of bit, need and some other classes. Today I have a new task. We have some problem to browserify the Kafka node library. So now I'm going to implement access from the API node to the Kafka, so the SDK could communicate through the network node and not directly if it runs on browser. And that's all.
Today I will implement the identity class, and that's it.
Hey guys, so yesterday I created a summary of my trip to Germany and also met Tal. We went over both of our trips, and I'm starting to work today on, based on feedback from Tal, on changes to the ride-hailing app. So this will be the main focus today. This is it, guys. Bye-bye.
Hi guys. Yesterday I started made new illustrations for our beautiful style. Today I'll finish sketch's first part of these illustrations. I'll make our new illustrations in new amazing trend 3D style. Follow us and we will make work more better.